I'm Marissa Tucker, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Controls and HMI for Parker Hannifin.
Hi, I'm Tim Falo. I'm the Global Program Manager for New Product Development with our Pneumatic Division.
And so we want to talk to you about a particular generation I think you've heard of. We call them millennials, but we like to call them makers because as engineers we think that's a little more flattering.
Absolutely.
Yeah. But we have definitely seen this generation totally transform our industry. It's a generation that is known for not wanting to pick up the phone and wanting to do everything by text. But really what that means is that they want to be self-sufficient. They want to be able to find the answers themselves, and they want to be known as that guy that you can go to and they have the answer.
I think the key about that is that they're not afraid to challenge the process or challenge the system. So when it comes to pneumatic actuators, sizing a pneumatic actuator 20 years ago was someone being real conservative, putting in a lot of safety factor, a lot of service factor because it was really complex to calculate. And everybody's just been doing it the same way because it's been working, and if it's not broke, why fix it? And what that ends up with is really large actuators all across the machine. And what's nice about this generation is they're challenging that to say, hey, does the actuator really have to be that big? And you couple that challenging the process with tools like the Parker Virtual Engineer that allows them to go in and simulate their system and their exact component they want to do and the motion they're trying to get. And then they're able to result in a much smaller actuator potentially because they're not just following the status quo. They're actually designing the actuator to the application. And that saves money and that saves cost.
Yeah, and so we at Parker Hannifin have developed Virtual Engineer, which allows millennials to go in there, get the answers they need, whether or not they studied electrical, maybe they were even physics majors. We know that all of a sudden you get out of school and you're being asked to specify a wide variety of machinery or things that you may not have experience in. So we've created a tool that no matter what your background is, you can specify an actuator.
It's tools like this just make it easier for them to jump in and make a difference, which is all the millennials or the makers really want to do.
Thanks for letting us have this little fireside chat with you. And if you want some more information, you can go to parker.com/virtualengineer.